Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing platform that allows people to rent vehicles from individual car owners, rather than from traditional car rental companies. It operates as an online marketplace where car owners can list their vehicles for rent, and renters can browse and choose from a wide variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. Turo is often described as the Airbnb for cars, because it follows a similar model of sharing resources between individuals. Making money on Turo involves renting out your personal vehicle to individuals looking for short-term car rentals. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Turo. 1. Sign up and list your car. Create an account on the Turo website or mobile app. List your car by providing detailed information about it, including make, model, year, location, availability, price, and any specific rules or conditions you have for renters. 2. Set competitive pricing. Research similar vehicles in your area to determine a competitive daily rental rate. Keep in mind factors like your car's age, condition, mileage, and any unique features it may have. 3. Verify your identity. Turo may require you to verify your identity and provide information like your driver's license, insurance, and photos of your vehicle. 4. Manage availability. Keep your Turo calendar up to date to reflect when your car is available for rental. Adjust availability based on your own needs and schedule. 5. Provide detailed listings. Create a compelling listing with high-quality photos of your car, both inside and out. Include detailed descriptions, highlighting the vehicle's features and any unique selling points. 6. Set rental rules and requirements. Specify any specific terms, such as mileage limits, delivery options, and fuel policy. Be clear about any age or driving experience requirements for renters. 7. Respond promptly. Be responsive to booking requests and inquiries from potential renters. Prompt communication can lead to more bookings. 8. Ensure vehicle safety and cleanliness. Keep your car well-maintained, clean, and in good condition. Turo provides guidelines for car owners to maintain their vehicles. 9. Arrange pickup and drop-off. Coordinate with renters to arrange a convenient location and time for both pickup and return. Be punctual and flexible when possible. 10. Offer great customer service. Provide a positive renting experience by being friendly, accommodating, and professional. Consider adding small amenities like phone chargers or cleaning supplies.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.